Get down, little girl. Get off the chair. Why you don't listen? Out. Out. Thank you. Why are cats so hard-headed? Alright, so we need our peppers. Ooh, they're looking really nice. Look at those. We got our water and our peppers. Our chair. The cat was in your chair? Alright, what's up, Royals? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be very helpful because I was looking for this information online and I was like, do people not prune peppers that they bought from the store? So today's video basically is going to be how to prune your peppers that you buy from the big box stores. I didn't see anything like this on YouTube yet. I gotta record, you gotta be quiet, okay? Okay. So yeah, I hadn't seen any video like this, so I was like, let me do this little video real quick. Subscribe. Make sure that y'all have y'all's water while you're in the garden. You need to stay hydrated for sure. Okay, so what you want to do when you're pruning your peppers is you want to prune your peppers when you have 3 sets of true leaves. And what I mean when I say true leaves is these little leaves, if you can see them. Let me take this out. You can see them are like the baby leaves, and then these leaves up here are true leaves. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these out and separate it for you so that you can see this better, what I'm trying to say. Okay, so do you see this pepper plant? It has baby leaves and then it has the rest of these are true leaves. You don't count these baby leaves, but you want to count each set of true leaves after that. So you want 3 sets of true leaves. So we're going to count, not counting these at the bottom. 1, 2, and right here would be 3 sets of true leaves. So what you would do is you would snip this whole top part, and the plant is going to start branching out from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip that top part off. There we go. And I've just left one little leaf up there just in case. So there you have it. This is what it should look like. Okay, the top part has been snipped off. So we're gonna do one more. So on this plant we have the baby leaves, and then we have 1 set of true leaves. We have 2 sets of true leaves, and then we have 3 sets of true leaves. So we're gonna go ahead and snip this top piece after that. Okay? Okay. There you have it. So your plants are pruned, and what this is gonna do is it's gonna promote outward growth. It's gonna promote outward growth so that this plant can begin to bush out and get bushier instead of getting taller, if that makes sense. So you'll start to see growth from here, from like in between these leaves. You'll start to see little growth points, and it'll start to bush out at the top as well. Okay, so here we have a really good example. These are the true leaves, and in between the true leaves we have this new growth here, and we also have some here. So that new little leaf there is new growth, this is new growth, and then at the top here where I snipped it, do you see that little snip? It started to grow 2 new shoots. So that's gonna start to bush out what's the word? I don't even know. But it's gonna start to get bushier instead of taller. So this plant is looking really healthy, looking really good. This is the perfect example of what I'm trying to explain. So that's what your pepper plant will look like. That's what your pepper plant will look like in just a few weeks. And yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. You just have to let the plant grow until it has 3. He's over here trying to wash my car. Till it has 3 sets of leaves, and then you should be fine to chop off the top. So what I'm gonna do with these 2 is we're gonna go ahead and plant these together, since I've already, you know, did my little trim to them. I don't want them to stand here because they're ready to get out of this pot. Sorry you guys, I have pregnancy brain. I cannot remember anything. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick. So I'm just gonna use this pot that I already have filled with soil. I had some sunflowers in here, but I think I'm gonna move those to a new location. I just pulled them up. So this soil is good. It has nutrients in it. It has fertilizer in it and everything. And pepper plants don't really need a ton of fertilizer. They're pretty easygoing in my experience. So we're gonna use this container and pot these 2 up, and I'll probably keep this plant in a half shade, half sun area. So pretty much in this space, because this space gets half sun, as you can see, and the other side is half shade. And things seem to do well in this little particular spot in my garden. So I don't have any peppers in containers as of yet. They always seem to do well in containers, so I'm definitely going to test my luck. And I am doing 2 pepper plants in this pot because it's deep enough, and I think it has enough soil. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. Adonis is back there washing my car, so I'm just gonna pop this in. I'm not gonna add anything. I think I'll add some worm castings. So I'm just gonna add a handful of worm castings to the top of the soil and in the planting hole, and that should do it. Give it a little boost. You just plant them right here. So hopefully this one will do well. It's a little scraggly.
Mom, I see a colorful rainbow.
You see a colorful rainbow?
Yeah, like on the colors. Look.
Oh my, I do see it. That's nice.
Here.
That's so wonderful. And I am just going to pinch off these bottom leaves just so that no disease, or they don't start getting wet. You can bury the stem a little bit, but I wouldn't recommend burying it a whole lot. It's not like a tomato plant. So then I'm just going to cover it back up with my mulch. Two pepper plants planted nicely. They have enough space in this container to grow well, so I'm not worried about that. You know, and in my experience, I just like to experiment with spacing and things like that. you can go by the book, but you know, some plants do better when they're put together, you know, and we're just gonna try it and see. So alright, Royals, so I hope that this video helped you out. Hopefully it wasn't too confusing. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below and I'll answer them. The season is not very long. It gets hot very quick, so make sure that you're caught up on all the videos so that you don't miss anything. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.